presumed that's the gate over there.
Me too. And we are the second house on the right, Lemon Cottage.
Oh, nice. Pendennis
Yes.
Farm.
Yes,
Here
yes,
we
yes.
are. Second house on the right.
Yeah. You already seen a house?
Yes.
Lemon Cottage to the right.
Yes. Check we by the sheep and the horses. I'm going to take a walk around just now and have a
Yeah,
look.
piggies.
Are there pigs?
Yeah. Big pigs and small pigs.
Yes, Lemon Cottage.
Happiness. We have arrived.
This is our housey. And it's got the little carport. Listen to the rooster. As our little parking for the quid. Got our own little garden. Definitely gonna light that fire tonight, the Weber. Got a little porch as well. Look at this. Our bedroom. Perfect. It's going to be cozy here tonight. This is the second bedroom. And the bathroom. Shower. The loo and the basin. There's ostriches.
Wow.
Gonna have a lekker braai tonight. Telling you, this is so nice here. Coals are getting there. So this is what supper looks like. Grabouw wors, which we bought in Grabouw, as you know. Potatoes, onions and mushrooms. We actually spoiled ourselves tonight, eh?
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
I'm gonna enjoy this. Good morning. Wow. Waking up on Pendennis farm. The wind's blowing pretty hard.
And it's chilly.
It is chilly, eh? It wasn't that cold last night, but it's chilly. That's where the sun is rising. The wind's blowing. Pigs are getting fed, that's why they're screaming like that. Wow. Fresh smell, eh? Cappuccino for Sonia and just a lekker cup of coffee for me with our mosbolletjies. Our little dog who wants to come and visit us is wagging his tail there. Come here. He's just waiting for an invitation. Come here. Come.
Come.
Come, yes. Look at him. Just waiting for us to invite him. Come on, old chap. You're a farm dog. Come. Come.
Hello.
Come here. I just missed the sheep come charging around to come and get their food this morning. Don't know if you'll be able to see that fellow on the tractor with the sun just behind him.
Oh,
See something moving there. Listen. So, we didn't forget to bring Dusty with on the trip. We never showed him when we started our trip, but he's still with us. He's going to be part of the team all the time now because we was picked up on one of our trips. So yeah, Dusty is here.
In case you were wondering.
Yes, and yeah, we're leaving Lemon Cottage at Pendennis farm.
I just saw the Ngoonies come from up there, but they're just out of sight now. They're gorgeous,
okay.
gorgeous cattle, hey?
Beautiful cattle.
Bye! It was nice.
Very nice.
Very authentic farm stay.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, loved it.
And they're really busy working here. Tractors up and down.
Yeah.
Feeding the sheep.
Animals.
Yeah.
Love it.
The pigs were going crazy when they were getting food this morning.
What's the highlight of their day?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice day. Pendennis farm.